Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or to solve Messenger. You can't use this feature right now. To know how to fix or to solve Messenger, this account you can't use this feature right now. You should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about the application of Messenger. When you find this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter the storage. After that, you click clear cache, and in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi. Then you can go to Play Store. You will search about Messenger. You will find the update. You can click on update to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.